Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your ready-mix concrete supplier businesses. For example, you have a ready-mix concrete supplier business in where you can provide different facilities to your customer regarding the types of concrete you are providing to them, delivery updates and customer support. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your ready-mix concrete supplier businesses, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of ready-mix concrete supplier, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sent a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello there, welcome to Pabbly Ready Mix Concrete Supplier. We are ready to support your construction needs. Please choose an option below to get started. While providing me 3 different options, that is concrete types, delivery types and contact us. If I'll click on concrete types, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some types of concrete that are available in this Pabbly Ready Mix Concrete Supplier business. If I'll click on M25, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some details about this M25 concrete, including their prices and delivery days. Also providing me one option, that is order now. If I'll click on this, then it will respond to me like this, that thank you for ordering from our Pabbly Ready Mix Concrete Supplier. We appreciate your support. Our team will connect with you soon. If I'll click on delivery types, then it will respond to me like this while providing me all the delivery types they are offering to their clients. If I'll click on contact us, then it will provide me all the contact details of this Pabbly Ready Mix Concrete Supplier. So basically this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically. At the end of this video, you can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your Ready Mix Concrete Supplier businesses. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template, It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates also. The seventh one is the flow. This is where you build your WhatsApp chatbot using a visual flow builder. It is also used for creating conversation path, capture data, offer products, browsing, etc. The eighth one is the AI assistant, in where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer common questions. It will also solve your problems. Here we also provide a video of how to create an AI assistant for WhatsApp inside a Pabbly Chatflow. The ninth one is the activity log, where you can see all the activities, events, action or task you have occurred within the last 7 days. The 10th one is the settings, in where you can manage your accounts, team members, integrations, API keys, etc. And the last one is the get help, where you can tell us about your problems and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this flow button. See, this is the page where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of flow builder. Here you can also see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of our flow, but before this, first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our ready mix concrete supplier business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. After that, I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. So let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific features or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Ready Mix Concrete Supplier. Now I want to add one welcome message for my client. For that, I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to my Ready Mix Concrete Supplier. I upload one image of my concrete because it sounds more impactful and interesting towards customer. After that, I want to add one welcome message for them. For this, I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box if you want to. At the end of this message, I told my clients to that please choose an option below to get started. For answering this, I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as concrete types. The second button I'll write is delivery types and the third button I'll write is contact us. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my users wants to know about the types of concrete that are available in my Ready Mix Concrete Supplier business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some types of concrete. Here I write it. Now I want to write some common concrete types for my users. For this, I am clicking on this plus add button. The first concrete type that are available in my Ready Mix Concrete Supplier business is M10. The second type I'll write is M20 and the third type I'll write is M25. Here I write it. After that, if my users wants to purchase M10 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing some details about this M10 concrete. Here I write it. Now I'll provide them one button, that is order now button, by clicking on this plus add button. Here I write it. Now if my users wants to order this M10 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier, then they will click on this order now button. So my bot will respond to them that thank you for ordering from our Pabbly ready mix concrete supplier. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message as. Here I write it. After that, the second type is the M20 concrete. If my clients wants to purchase M20 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button, and writing some details about this M20 concrete, such as prices and delivery timelines. Here I write it. For this also, I'll provide one button to them, that is order now button, that we were also written here. See. After that, if my clients wants to purchase this M20 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier business, then they will click on this order now button. So my bot will respond to the same that they will respond here. That is thank you for ordering from our Pabbly ready mix concrete supplier. We appreciate your support. Our team will connect to you soon. So I'll connect this circle to this circle. The response would be the same. After that, the third one is the M25 concrete. If my clients wants to purchase this M25 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about this M25 concrete. Here I write it. For this also, I'll provide them one button, that is order now button. After that, if my clients wants to order this M25 concrete from my ready mix concrete supplier, then they will click on this order now button. So my bot will respond to them same, that they will respond to this message. That means this. So I'll connect this circle to this message. Here it is connected. After that, when my clients wants to know about the delivery types that are available in my ready mix concrete supplier business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am taking another text button. It will provide me one enter message box. I'll drag this box here and writing the delivery types that are available in my ready mix concrete supplier business. Here I write it some delivery types that are provided by my ready mix concrete supplier business. Now I'll connect this circle, drag a line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now after that, the third one is the contact us. If my clients want to directly connect with me, then they will click on this button, contact us button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all the contact details about my ready mix concrete supplier business. Here I write it. Our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your ready mix concrete supplier business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. Now I'll give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your users automatically instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of ready mix concrete supplier. Hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I send it a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hello there, welcome to Pabbly ready mix concrete supplier. We are ready to support your construction need. Please choose an option below to get started, while providing me 3 different options, that is concrete type, delivery types and contact us, that we were written here. See, concrete types, delivery types and contact us. If I'll click on delivery types, then it will provide me all the types of delivery that are available in this ready mix concrete supplier business. If I'll click on concrete type, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some common concrete type that we were written here. See, common concrete type M10, M20, M25. See, M10, M20, M25. If I'll click on M10, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some details of this M10 concrete, that is price and delivery days. Also giving me one order now button. If I'll click on this, then it will respond to me like this, that is thank you for ordering from our Pabbly ready mix concrete supplier. We appreciate your support. Our team will connect to you soon.
So basically this is how your chatbot will work, and this is how your bot will respond to your clients automatically instantly. You can create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for your ready-mix concrete supplier business. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.